Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video from a seed bead haul I bought on eBay. Also, spoiler alert, I deleted eBay again because I have too many things from eBay coming in. The first thing I want to say about this haul is it smells really bad, and usually sellers try to send you things that, you know, if they're smoking in their homes, they usually tell you, but oh man, this one smells like an ashtray. And I'm gonna have to, thank God I live in the desert, because I'm just gonna have to put it outside for a few days to air it out. The other thing is they must have sprayed perfume on it or something, I don't know, to try and mitigate the smoke smell. It didn't work. And some of it I'm gonna definitely be washing because it smells like almost like body odor or something. I don't know. So yeah, I'm not super happy with this. There are a lot of beads in it, and I got it for I think $24. But I could smell it from a mile away when I pulled it out of the mailbox, like through the box. So I'm not super happy right now. But I got a lot of beads. I'm just gonna have to do some washing. I'm gonna disinfect my hands after I do this, wash everything in soap and water, and then just stick it outside in my patio, on my patio for a couple days. I've done that before. It's totally fine. It'll work. So I'll just go through quickly everything because it's kind of making me sick. I just try to look at the positive side. We got a lot of beads for really not a lot of money. So recently I did that gemstone and bead seed bead haul, and then that kind of fed into, oh, well, I could use these as spacers. What else is out there? And I didn't specifically go looking for seed beads, but this lot came up. However, these are not all brand new. This is a distash lot, so some of them are not full. Like this one isn't full. The good thing is I don't do projects where I would have to use a whole thing of seed beads. So like I said, it would be a like spacer situation. So this one is their check glass 6.0 pink silver lined mix. So there's several different pinks in here. This one's yummy. This one is 6.0 glass seed beads, red and purple silver lined. And there might be stuff that I have already from that last mix. I haven't gone through it yet. Amethyst dyed chips. So I guess this one opens this way. I don't know if they're amethyst and they were dyed like this weird magenta color. I don't know. They're not like the actual regular amethyst color, or maybe they're just chips that were supposed to be dyed like amethyst. I don't know. It's a pretty color. Oopsie. Sorry, they keep falling out. So anyway, there are a lot in here. I think I got my money's worth once they air out. 6.0 check hot pink copper mix. That's pretty. These are some cool mixes, and I know these probably came from Joann's a while back, but I don't have anything like this, and they're such, I mean, these ended up being like less than $1 a piece for sure. This one, I don't know the name. They ripped off the label, but it's another pink mix. They must have really liked pink because there's a lot of pink in here. These look like they're the same, and they're kind of like an autumn mix. So ruby silver lined mix 6.0, and then a lot of these are 6.0 seed beads. Somebody asked me, I don't know if it was Diane or Diana, what size elastic cord I would use with 6.0s. These look like it depends on if you're making the whole entire bracelet 6.0s. I would say even down to 0.5 millimeter, maybe even double it. But I would say 8.8 millimeter, which is the one that I use the most, fits through these, or 0.7 millimeter. That'd be fine. But I don't really use seed beads that much, so I haven't really tried out it that much. I'm really resolving to use them more as flair in my projects. Okay, so Cat's Eye fancy chips. I think they are fancy. I love Cat's Eye, as you guys know, because you saw my Cat's Eye haul. Well, hopefully you saw my Cat's Eye haul. If you haven't, go look at my Cat's Eye haul. Beadlets black diamond. So these look like bugle beads, but they're maybe a different shape. Yeah, I'm not going to open that. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. This one will be one of the ones that's washed off. They're very cool, like black diamond color. Crystal purple lined. More beadlets. Check glass geometrics is what this one says. It's just, looks like cubes. Those are cool. Those are awesome. We have ooh, this is a big tube, this looks like a chemistry tube, actually. There's no name on it, but I don't know what size these are, maybe 11-0? This twists out. I'm not gonna pull it out, but that's really great. Like, not cobalt, it's like cornflower, but a little bit darker. I don't know, it's really cool. It's like electric blue, I guess. What else do we have? Speckled oats. Is that what that says? Yeah, speckled oats. It looks just like a seed bead mix. I wonder if this is just a seed bead mix that they threw together. It looks like it. That might be something that I just stashed because I don't see myself using that. After I sanitize it, I would not send it smelling like this to anyone else. I'm not mean. These are part of the reason why I bought this mix, because I thought they were so cool. I could use these in so many different things. So the first thing that pops up is thinking of using them with like chevron beads or African beads, but these would also be great in sports bracelets or necklaces, sports jewelry. I used to make a lot of sports jewelry. I have a lot of stuff to do sports jewelry. It's something I wanted to do a video on. Like not patriotic jewelry too, because it's blue and white and red. So opaque white is what these are named, and these are 33.0. I don't know that I knew that was a size. Those are cool. I really like those. More black diamond beadlets. So since I have 2 of those, I'll probably de-stash one, and I promise you they'll be sanitized. Ooh, you guys know I love this. I love that. I call it the Mystic finish. It's just like that purple and the green and the blue. And this is called Crystal. Yeah, well, this is different. They must have put this in a different one because it says check glass geometrics crystal yellow lined. Well, that's not crystal or yellow, but this one right here is. So I bet you this tube used to be this crystal yellow lined, but they put in this other one. That's okay. I would have appreciated the crystal yellow lined, but I like that. Here's another one of the black cat's eye chips. Here's just like a seed bead mix, 10-0 glass seed beads cosmic rainbow mix. Whoops, always. I always hit the camera. If I don't hit a camera, it's not a video. I don't know. I don't think I have any more in that size. Oh, I do. I was going to say I don't have any more in that size, but I do. 10-0 glass seed beads, trans orange. Oh, so it must be transparent orange mix. I like that. That's a good fall. Actually, it's a good summer one too because of the hot orange. Clementine, glass and stone chips. It's a cool mix. Smell. I feel bad like saying that a bunch, but I have a very sensitive nose and yuck. 6-0 glass naturals coral. Looks like an orange mix to me. Here's more of that yellow line though. Crystal yellow light. Well, good. I'm glad I got one because I really like these. Now we got 2 of these. Well, this one says caramel apple, but it's not. And this one says mix, but it's not. So this one it said precious chips. So these are just yellow seed beads that somebody stuck in a couple of these. And then, let's see, we have like a random mix of chips. So it looks like there's some blue, white, and like brown stone chips in there. We have a few different seed beads in different colors. And there's no way I'll ever use all of these. So I'll probably, like I said, destash some of them in my bead group. Please join my bead group. A sale is coming. It is imminent. I will be this week photographing stuff because I got to get rid of. I have way too much stuff that I'm never going to use. So, and I want other people who will use it to have it. So please join my bead group if you're interested in buying beads and pendants and stuff like that at reduced prices. So we have just a few different colors. I really like this one, and I really like that one. They're going to be great spacers. We have some like little ones, like those big ones. Oh, these are awesome. These are neon, opaque neon yellow. I'm definitely keeping those. I love neon colors. We have like little vials. These will probably get switched if I keep them over to baggies because I can't really see very well through these vials. They're more cloudy. A nice green. Blue. Ugh, gross. These are gross. Sorry. Royal blue. Transparent neon green. Like a silver lined mix for blue. 10 grams. This one looks like it's not been opened. Like a hematite color. Oh, we have opaque matte blue. Like, I understand maybe having a bead mix that's dusty or something, but the way this smells, it smells terrible, guys. Like, I'm not upplaying how bad this smells. Like, ugh. Oh, it's horrible. And it's not just smoke. Like, there's some other really disgusting smell on here. These are, I love these colors together. I have these in a different size. This color mix. I want to do some earrings with those. Ooh, opaque neon orange. I like those. Cute pink silver lined, hot pink silver lined. Ooh, I'm just loving these opaque hot neon colors. Loving them. Transparent neon orange. Did I already see? Oh, maybe. No, I had transparent neon green. Pink silver lined. Ugh, yuck. This one's almost empty. It's got yellow in it. Then we have these little, this is like a seed bead mix. My rainbow, that rainbow color mix. I don't think I can even open these. There we go. These are like, these aren't just, I don't know if I can get a picture of those. They're kind of transparent. They're like a brown transparent with a really awesome AB on them. I don't know. They're really cool. I really like these. They're teeny tiny. I think these are probably like 11 O's. Or wait, yeah, 11 O's are bigger than, smaller, excuse me, than 6. Those are really yummy. They remind me of caviar too, because they're so tiny and they're the right color. Here's another one of those bigger ones, some crystal ice chip colors. Really neat. 2 more little ones. These are matte. I used to have, oh gosh, I used to have these when I was a kid. I love those. Those remind me of being a kid. We've got an opaque red, a topaz, it says transparent light topaz. Ooh, I like this color. Opaque brown. It's not just a brown though, it's kind of got a little bit of red in it. Probably by the time I air this video, today is the 21st, it's probably not going to go up till the end of next week. I'll probably have already washed these, but if you guys have any tips on cleaning all of this stuff, please leave a comment below. We have opaque orange. My gosh. Here is like a mix. I'm going to just stash these. Honestly, I will never go through here or use this, and somebody else will. After I sanitize it. So I just wouldn't want somebody else to go through what I'm going through right now. And then there were some hanks in here. So here's some really pretty beads. I'm probably just going to put these in water, and soap and water, swish them around, and then dry them and put them outside. They're so pretty. And you know what? I won't be out too much if the coating comes off or the colors come off. I would rather them be clean than them just go into my drawer, and I never use them because they stink. And then we have another hank here. I don't quite know what's going on here, but we have some black and hematite colors, and then it's on some kind of pendant. Like this was just a destash. I might just throw this out. And then yeah, like this part, that's gonna get thrown out. Like I'm not gonna use that, and I don't want to pass that on to anybody. It's kind of a hot mess. And this will probably, like, it's just kind of a hot mess. But if there's anything salvageable in here, like these black beads are really nice, I'll probably keep those. A blue, like, ombre bundle. That's pretty cool. I love that. I love those colors together. Gives me some inspiration to make a necklace that looks like that with different beads. A blue mix. Ooh, these are really pretty. Red. Those are really, really pretty, and I like them all together like that. And they're soft. A different red one. Whew. And then this one, guys, this is the one that really smells really awful, and I really don't even want to be touching it. I don't know if this was like a necklace of somebody's, but it smells. It smells. So this is definitely going in soap and water, just soap and water, and it's gonna sit there, and then it's gonna go outside. But the reason why I'm keeping it is because there's some golden stone in here. There are some seed beads, but there are also some crystals throughout. Like there's a nice crystal right there. I saw a blue one somewhere, like some green ones. So I'm gonna wash this up, wash these, disinfect them, see how it goes. Put some alcohol in the solutions, possibly maybe a drop or two of bleach. But oh, and then the last but not least, these are really pretty too. Like lovely. These are lovely. But you live and learn. Normally when I buy things from Facebook and eBay, they're normally like totally fine. Even if they're destashed, people have used some things before, they're usually pretty clean. This was a nightmare. The saving graces, it was probably like 60 bundles of beads, 60 things of beads for under 25 bucks with shipping included. So, yeah, sometimes there are some duds on eBay. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these. I'll give you guys an update at some point in the future on them. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Have you ever gotten something in the mail and you just were very shocked at the condition? Let me know. And like I said, it's happened before, but this is the worst one so far. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I am super excited about this haul, even though it stinks. I really loved a lot of the stuff in it, and I will be using it. Stay tuned for Goldie. And join the bead group. I would love to have you there. Brittany's Beads on Facebook. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye. Goldie. Hi. He's so cute. Sorry to wake you up.